Imagine a hummingbird hovering over a flower, drawn by an invisible force, sweetness. Deep within the blossom, nectar's molecules, mainly sucrose, glucose, and fructose, are perfectly crafted to trigger pleasure pathways in the brain. When these molecules hit our tongues, specialized receptors send signals that light up reward centers, making us crave more. This chemistry is no accident. Plants evolved these sugars to entice pollinators, ensuring their survival. Our own cravings are echoes of this ancient dance, linking the chemistry of sweetness to the web of life.